Ah! Bombard, brother! That man, you know, go on with it. With me. It's hallelujah for me, I did have to blood bomber rascal if you drop.
Same people, the rat here destroy me. Him yam all my shoes. Him yam everything for me. I gotta fuck him up myself.
So you want me to send you a line?
Yo, we don't need to ask for charge.
Let me tell you something. You better don't have a pigtail underneath you because I don't.
Oh, wait, bomber!
For them there, bro.
Hold on.
Only if you catch, man.
Mike, wanna take this from out of my hand? Wanna take this from out of my hand? Let me defend myself.
Just the one.
Not defend my bomber self, dog. Not defend myself, dog. Ah! Ah! Bombard, brother! Check him out now. Pussy clot destruction. Now, I'm going to see something I'll go on today, from today to this weekend. I'm going to see what I'll go on. It's a blood clot destruction. You're going to something and you're in a hurt and you see a blood clot and you're the one bomber ass clot, man. You're not going to go on with it. With me. It's hallelujah for me.
Pussy all, eh? You must kill a pussy there. Same people, the rat here destroy me. Him yam all my shoes. Him yam everything for me. I gotta fuck him up. I said some pies of him. I see me so him long. The pussy all there. He just a name me things them. So watch him now. You see him people. Him a whole heap of them, about 3 of them in my house. And I wonder who send them. But here I go on. I gonna hang them. I must kill a pussy all there. Make him go have him free time. Think me nice.
I'm a man of sweet. Sweet is my middle name. Sweet will never come out of my name. Sweetie stick. Sweetie pie. Ice cream chuck. All the sweets I would beg it. Is Destiny on live right now? Me I go beg him a lion.
5 minutes later.
So you want me to send you a line?
Yo, we don't need to ask for charge.
Let me tell you something. You better don't have a pigtail underneath you because I don't drink stew peas.
No.
Right then. No matter worry yourself, man. Come on for the line. I send you a line. Father. If me ever give me a line, my love, me have to drop me 12-inch pan you. You have to slump pan you. You have to wind up on me cut, my love.